If you are encountering the error cannot reset password, this Apple ID is either not valid or not supported, then today we are here with steps to resolve this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser. Let's go to the Safari. Browse for appleid.apple.com. Then once you browse for it, press enter. Now tap on the arrow button option available in the top right corner of your screen. After you do so, tap on the sign in from the drop down menu after you tap on the arrow icon. Now enter your email address to confirm if it is a valid Apple ID. If the email address is incorrect, try other possible addresses you might have used when creating the Apple ID. Now simply tap on the account recovery option available there and you can recover your account very easily. All you have to do is wait for a few seconds, then a verification code will be sent to your email or to your phone number, and all you have to do is enter it and you will have your account recovered. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.